Charlie the ranch dog, Charlie's new friend. Bam! A bright light hits my face. I cover my eyes with my floppy ears. Oh, it's just the sun. Wait, what? The sun? Yesterday was cold and rainy, so was the day before. I didn't get any ranch work done. Today will be extra busy. Sniff, sniff. Where's my bacon breakfast? I'd better find Mama. I spot Mama in the garden. The grass is warm on my paws. Sniff, sniff. Flowers! Wait, is that a bird? Squirrel! I chase him up a tree. Wait, is that a rabbit? Chasing rabbits is the best. Mama doesn't see the rabbit hopping. She is digging up carrots. But I know what Mr. Rabbit is up to. Row! I howl and take a giant running leap. That rabbit is fast. He grabs a carrot and jumps right over my head. Oh, I don't think so, Mr. Rabbit. I'm the boss of this ranch. No one steals from my mama and gets away with it. The chase is on. Huff, puff. Phew, my short legs weren't made for this. You can hop, but you can't hide. Huh? Where did Mr. Rabbit go? Sniff, sniff. Did Mr. Rabbit go down this hole? When will he come out? I guess I'll have to wait. The sun feels so warm on my fur. Maybe I'll lie down and rest, just for 1 second. Ouch! Rabbit feet smack my back. He's a hopping machine. I'll never catch him. Who invented chasing rabbits anyway? Chasing rabbits is the worst. Why can't we just be friends? Oh, right, because he's a carrot thief. Grrr, my stomach rumbles. I forgot to eat breakfast. This is all Mr. Rabbit's fault. I'm so hungry. Wait, hold on. I have an idea. No one is in the garden. I sniff until I find a ripe carrot. I dig it up with my front paws. Yoo-hoo, Mr. Rabbit. Are you home? No answer. I'll have to wait again. Nap time. Sniff, sniff. My nose wakes me up. Mr. Rabbit! He can't escape down this hole. I'm lying on top of it. He looks around everywhere and wiggles his pink nose. Mr. Rabbit is shaking all over. The carrot is in my mouth. I stand and smile my biggest smile so he won't be afraid. I take 1 step forward and zoom! Mr. Rabbit is gone in a flash back down his rabbit hole. The next day, I guard the garden. Mr. Rabbit stays away all morning. At noon, I bring him a carrot lunch. I don't wait this time. After a yummy bacon dinner, I head across the pasture. There is no sign of the carrot. Mr. Rabbit pokes his head up. If you stop taking carrots without asking, I say, I will share them with you. Mr. Rabbit offers me a nibble of carrot. Ugh, yuck. I'm so happy to be a bacon-eating ranch dog instead of a carrot-eating rabbit.